Hi everybody, welcome to Baby Rhyme Time. I'm Ulla from Moreton Bay Libraries and we're welcoming you back to libraries for rhyme time and story time. And now let's get into this rhyme time by saying our acknowledgement of country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. Let's start off the session by saying hello and waving to each other. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I hope everybody's well. I've had quite a good day. And let's see what our next song is. We've got the song Two Little Eyes, and I'm going to bring out my little friend, the bunny, to help me with this one. So when you're doing it with your baby, it's always a good idea to have them facing towards you so that you can see their smiles and their giggles and they can interact with you during the day, when you're at home, and even when you come to a session in the library. All right, here we go. Two little eyes to look around, two little ears to hear each sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet, and one little mouth that likes to eat. Bunny, you just sit there. I don't want to drop you. And now we're going to be bouncing our little ones on our knees. It's the same with this. You can turn your little one towards you so you can see their little smiling bouncing faces. Boing boing squeak, boing boing squeak. A bouncy mouse was in the house, he's been here for a week. He bounces in the kitchen, he bounces in the den, he bounces in the living room. Whoops, there he goes again. Let's do that one more time with a girl mouse. And I'll flip Bunny around. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. A bouncy mouse was in the house. She's been here for a week. She bounces in the kitchen. She bounces in the den. She bounces in the living room. Whoops! There she goes again. You've been doing a lot of bouncing, haven't you? Let's see if the next one is an action one for you as well. It is. So now we're going to go on a bit of a ride. It's another one that you can bounce your baby on your knee, have them facing you or facing away, and it goes like this. Giddy up, ride to town. Giddy up, up and down. Giddy up fast, giddy up slow, giddy up, whoa! Oh, goodness, I had to slow down pretty quick there. Let's try that one again. Giddy up, ride to town. Giddy up, up and down. Giddy up fast, giddy up slow, giddy up, whoa! What have we got up next? We have Old Macdonald. I'll pop you away for this one, Bunny. Thanks for your help. You can sit down here. All right, so Old Macdonald is a favourite with a lot of children, and you can definitely mix it up and put in some unusual animals on Old Macdonald's farm. We'll start off with a chook today, and then we'll see where we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, And on that farm he had a chook, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a crocodile, E-I-E-I-O, with a snap snap here and a snap snap there, here a snap, there a snap, everywhere a snap snap. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a, let's see, what else could he have on his unusual farm? How about some kittens that meow a lot? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some kittens, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, I think his variety of animals would keep him pretty busy on that farm. Oh, here's another song we've got about animals. It's Hey Diddle Diddle. Some unusual animals in this one too. A cow that jumps over the moon. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. We've got our cow, we've got our cat, but it looks like the dish and the spoon have run away off the page. Oh, goodness. And here's another one I like, Twinkle Twinkle. It's a nice one to sing in the evenings, maybe when you're changing baby or when you want to calm things down. And everybody likes to twinkle because it's really, really easy to do. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And when you sing this one, you can get softer and softer and softer until baby falls asleep. And that brings us to our goodbye song. And we'll wave goodbye for this one. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Thanks everybody for coming to Baby Rhyme Time.